but always ready to serve. Great collaboration. I learned great collaboration from them, great discipline from them. And one of the organization I highly admire, always we say, right, there is a Midas stone. How many of you know Midas stone? So there's a Midas touch, right? Whenever you touch that stone to something, it turns into gold. Okay? And the organization, before that, because now as we are starting this particular segment, I would like to request respected and celebrated our spiritual master, Shri Devkinandan Thakurji, to please come on the stage to present awards. Please come. Please come. Normally we don't get association of such a noble soul and the spiritual masters in person. It's our blessing that he is here right now. And he is one of the great Vaishnava who always praise and appreciate Srila Prabhupada's word and Radharani and Krishna. So Swamiji is also here and Prabhuji is also here, which is a blessing for us to have both such a great personalities to be on the same stage. Thank you. So the next organization, which is a Midas touch for me. This organization selflessly working for, I should say, hundred of years I should say. And everyone in India highly respect this organization. Here also working very closely with the local government officials, city officials, state representatives. I should say, like, wherever there is a calamity, wherever there is a problem, wherever there is an issue to serve, these volunteers are the number one and the very first to come and serve. And they will never be in the limelight, no marketing, no jazzy show up, nothing. And always working low profile. Very humble souls. I think many people in the world, I would like to request everyone to please, keep your phone on silent to respect the decorum here. And this organization is working in more than 156 countries and in the United States, pretty much in all states right now, through different chapters, through different projects. And this organization is one of the greatest I have ever seen. So there are two organizations I always say. The number one is, can you tell me who is the biggest volunteer organization in the world? Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangha, my own. I learned so many things right from my childhood from Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangha. The epitome of discipline, epitome of servitude. And I should say, like, all other organizations should learn how they serve the community without anything in the return. I would like to request once again the entire team of HSS to please come. Vishnu, you can tell who want to just come on the stage to get this award. Okay, please HSS team, please come on the stage. Anil Zada and Sharma ji. I want to request Mahesh ji to please come on the stage to accept this award. Vipin ji, Santosh ji, please come on the stage. So Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangha, you should go and Google for them. I should say, like, they are one of the best in the terms of volunteering. And it's the biggest voluntary organization in the world. Please come. Considering the time, we need to just make it fast. Please come on the stage. I would like to request to give this award to His Grace Devkinandan Thakurji, Prabhuji, to hand over to present this to HSS team. Please. So please come, we will take one picture fast and then